Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Make.com to Instagram. So first thing that you do here is you just have to log in to your Make.com account. And then we also have the tab for our Instagram account and for our Facebook account. Okay, so once you've done that, you just have to go back here on Make.com and then create a new scenario. So click on this create scenario option at the top. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, just have to search for Instagram. Okay, so tab right here, Instagram. So for example, we are going to select the get post for the trigger. That's right. And then we are going to create a connection. So click on the create connection. All right. And then click on the save option. Okay, so once you've done that, you will be directed to this page where you have to grant an access for a Facebook account. So continue with this Facebook account of yours, and then just wait for a couple of seconds after that. All right, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now that your Instagram for Business Facebook login is connected. And then for our post ID, and then here you have the general function. So for the variable, we are going to select this one. And then for the function, so for example, we are going to select and switch. All right. And then for the operators, we have this. We're going to select on. And for the keywords, for example, true. All right. So after that, we just going to wait for a couple of seconds and then select the search option. Okay, and then you just have to select your page once you see that right here, and then click on the save option. So if you want to add another module for this scenario, then you just have to tap on this plus icon behind the Instagram logo. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.